Hi there, Michael Eskin here with another ABC Transcription Tools demo. I've pretty dramatically enhanced the functionality of the phrase builder so that it can now handle tunes that have pickups or even partial measures with anacrusis pickups and partial endings at the end of repeats. And those can even be inside of first and second endings, which means pretty much now you can just point the feature at an entire tune book of tunes, and in the vast majority of cases, it'll provide you with exactly what you need to do call and response training in the Tune Trainer. I'll give you a quick demo here. I'm going to open up the local cultist chapter tune book. And we'll just pick some random tune here, for example, the Torn Jacket. And I can go to More Tools, Phrase Builder, pick a phrase link, let's say 2 measures. In this case, I'll just do this one tune, say OK. And now if you look, you see we now have a version of the Torn Jacket that is broken up into 2 measure segments followed by 2 measure rests across the entire tune. And if I bring that into the Tune Trainer and play it, this is exactly what you would want for call and response training, which I will do with my whistle. I have the metronome turned on. You can disable the metronome if you like just by clicking the button that says Disable Metronome. The feature works for either a single tune or for all of the tunes in the tune book. So if I want to do all 119 tunes here, I can just go to More Tools, Phrase Builder, Process All Tunes, pick my phrase link, click OK. It says phrase by phrase versions of all tunes created. And now if we just walk through, you can see that each of these tunes is now configured for training in the Tune Trainer. And it even keeps the pickups for the very first measure of the tune just to make it a little bit more comfortable to play. So for example, if I wanted to work on Banished Misfortune here, and now I'll just do a shortcut to the Tune Trainer. I'll just hold down the Shift key while clicking play, take me right to the Tune Trainer, and I can go ahead and train with it in here. And so on through the entire tune. So this is a nice enhancement to the phrase builder. You used to have to use it only on tunes that had complete measures inside of repeats, but now the code is able to flatten out all of the repeats, even if there are partial measures inside of them, and do the right thing. So this makes the tool much more powerful and useful on a much wider variety of tunes. And I've tested this on several tune books, the CCE Dublin tune book, local cultist chapter tune book, and a couple of others that had large numbers of tunes, and it does seem to be working well.